This is our 1991 Ford Mustang Convertible. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, be a very slow-paced walk around the car. Following that, there'll be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood. So you'll see here on the front end, a bunch of little rock chips. There's also a ding as well, right there center of the nose, just above the Ford badge. This is a 81,000 mile car, all original paint. No panels have ever been resprayed. We've confirmed that with a paint gauge. Really nice and dry car. Clean Carfax. It's been in the Midwest since it was new. Delivered new to Ohio, having been in Minnesota for a while, as well as Indiana. But the body's really nice and straight, aside from that one ding at the front. Red pinstripe, nice and intact all the way around. There's one major spot of bubbling on the car. You can see it here down at the bottom, just forward of the passenger rear wheel. Aside from that, body is very dry. Underneath is in really nice condition as well. Super impressive for a Midwestern car. Take a look at the photos on our website, chicagocarclub.com, as there's a bunch there. Hubcaps are in good shape, polished wire. The tires, they're good, but they're older than they should be, so recommend replacing those sooner rather than later. The convertible top, original convertible top, is white. There's some photos of it in the listing. It does show its age a bit. The red boot cover is in excellent shape. You can see here, just by the auto sales badge, there is a tiny bubble in that left corner. Just one little spot. Glass and light lenses are all clear and crack-free. The black midline trim looks good, not super faded or aged. You can see along the rockers, it's nice and clean. The weather stripping is in good shape. The powered top is functional. The windows seal up nicely. This is the 4-cylinder variant, 2.3. So it's, hardly a Mustang in a straight line, but it's super fun to drive, very lively, small car, plus being a convertible with functional R12 air conditioning is pretty cool. Great summer car. The interior, really well preserved. Scarlet red, cloth interior. Dash top is mint. Center console looks great as well. Carpet, just very, very, very minor age. A little bit of discoloring, but hardly any. Power windows, all functional. The radio sounds great. Speakers aren't blown out or anything. Really, really good. As I mentioned, the air conditioning does blow cold. It is R12. The heat's functional, all the blower motor settings are good, gauges are all functional. As I mentioned, 81,000 and change on the odometer, which is accurate. You can see there's no hairline cracks in the plastic down here. The little area around the handbrake is in really nice shape. Cloth has survived impressively well. In the driver's outer bolster, the upper portion, there's some very light age, just a little bit of visible fade, but really impressive. No punctures, no burns, nothing like that. No discoloring. And then the back, much of the same, really nice shape. The rear seats look to have seldom been sat in. Car runs and drives great, no hesitations.